Good morning, students. Now we are discuss the topic kidney. Each human beings have a pair of kidney. In each kidney contain a two healthy kidney contain a total number of 2 million nephrons. 2 million nephrons. Each kidney have 1 million nephron. The two kidney both have 2 million nephrons. The 2 million nephrons, it can filter about 1700 to 1800 liters of blood. 1700 to 1800 liters of blood. The kidney redistribute 90% of 99% of the blood volume. The kidney, it can filtrate 99% of blood. Remaining 1% is go to urine in the form of urine, and the only 1% of blood filtered becomes urine. Human beings have two kidneys, a pair of kidneys. In two healthy kidneys contain a total number of 2 million nephrons in their kidney. The 2 million nephrons, it can filters 1700 to 1800 liters of blood. The kidney reabsorbs and redistribute 99% of blood volume, and the remaining 1% of blood filter become urine. So the body 1% of urine and 99% of blood. Next, dialysis. When the kidney is not efficiently worked and the nephron is not efficiently worked, is called as kidney failure. And the kidney failure patients should be advised dialysis process. When the kidney lost their filtering efficiency, when the kidney is loss means failure. Loss means failure. When the kidney is failure the filtering efficiency and excessive amount of fluids, when the kidney failure to filter efficiency, it causes excessive amount of fluid and toxic waste materials are accumulated in our body. When the kidney is not properly function, our body blood contains toxic and waste products are accumulated in our blood. This condition is called as kidney failure or renal failure. Kidney failure means kidney does not work properly. Inside the kidney, the basic fundamental unit of kidney is nephron. Nephrons does not work properly. So that nephron does not work properly means the waste materials and toxic materials does not removed. So these waste materials and toxic materials can accumulate in our blood. This stage is called as kidney failure or renal failure. For these patients should be advised to artificial kidney used to filter the blood in the patient. These kidney failure patients should be advised to make artificial kidney to purify your blood. This patient is said to be put on dialysis. And this process is purify the blood by an artificial kidney. Artificial means it is man-made kidney, that is called as artificial. It is a machine. It is a man-made machine. This process is called as hemodialysis. Hemo means blood. Dialysis means purification. So the blood purification is called as hemodialysis. When the renal failure, that means kidney failure. When the kidney failure occurs, it cannot be treated. It cannot be treated. Treatment by the drugs or dialysis. Drugs means tablets, injections. When the kidney is failed to filter the in our blood, it cannot be treated on drugs and tablets. Patients should be advised for kidney transplantation. Patients are advised for kidney transplantation. This is called as dialysis process. When the kidneys are not properly worked, when the failure to filter the efficiency, that is called as kidney failure. In this stage, the excessive amount of fluids and toxic waste materials are accumulated in our blood or body. When the kidney is not proper functioning, it cannot be purify the blood. So that waste materials and toxic materials can be accumulated in our blood. This condition is called as kidney failure or renal failure. For this time, patients should be advised to put on artificial kidney used to filter the blood to the patient. These patients said to be put on dialysis. This process is called as purifying the blood by artificial kidney. When the purified blood by artificial kidney is called as hemodialysis. When the renal failure, kidney failure, when the kidney failure is cannot be treated by drugs and dialysis. Kidney failure cannot be treated. The patient should be advised for kidney transplantation. The patient should be advised for kidney transplantation or dialysis to make a dialysis process. The first kidney transplantation where? In 1954, first kidney transplantation, Joseph Murray and his colleagues at in Peter Bent Pilgrim Hospital. Peter Bent Pilgrim Hospital, that is in Poisson in USA, United States of America. In American Boston City, hospital name are Peter Bent Pilgrim. The doctor name is Joseph Murray and his colleagues to make the first kidney transplantation. Performed first successfully kidney transplantation between Ronald and Richard Herrick. Who were identical twins. These two persons are identical twins. The recipient Richard Herrick. The recipient donor was Ronald. Recipient is Richard Herrick. Died after 8 years of transplantation. It can successfully work on only 8 years. First kidney transplantation in 1954. Joseph Murray and his colleagues in Boston City in America. Peter Bent Pilgrim Hospital performed first kidney transplantation. The donor was Ronald. The recipient was Richard Herrick. He two members are identical twins. The donor was Ronald. The recipient was Richard Herrick. The recipient Richard Herrick died after 8 years of kidney transplantation. So that first kidney transplantation successfully worked on 8 years only. So that failed kidney does not treat with the drugs and any medicines. It is a first kidney transplantation. This occurs in United States of America, Boston City, Peter Bent Pilgrim Hospital. The doctor's name is Joseph E. Murray and his colleagues. The kidney transplanted persons are Ronald and Richard Herrick. The donor, his two members are identical twins. Ronald is donor. Richard Herrick is a recipient. The recipient Herrick is died after 8 years of kidney transplantation. Okay, thank you students.